Managing your money effectively often means understanding all the features a financial institution offers, especially when it comes to unexpected expenses. This is particularly true with digital banks like Neon. We're looking into whether Neon provides overdraft services to its account holders. Neon is a neobank that operates primarily in Brazil and Switzerland, and its offering can sometimes vary slightly by region. As a digital-first bank, Neon focuses on a streamlined, app-based experience with competitive fees for services like a digital account and credit card. For the Swiss branch of Neon, the answer is clear: account overdrafts are generally not possible. Neon accounts are designed to function based on the funds currently available in your balance. This means transactions that exceed your available funds are simply declined, helping users maintain strict control over their spending and avoiding costly overdraft fees. In the case of the Brazilian bank Neon, they do not traditionally offer a standard overdraft product, which is locally known as cheque especial. However, Neon has offered other credit-related products such as personal loans and a credit card, which can serve similar purposes in managing short-term cash flow. It is important to check their current product portfolio in Brazil for any new or evolving credit offerings they may introduce over time. For both services, the philosophy aligns with the model of many neobanks, preventing clients from entering into unplanned debt by declining transactions when the balance is zero or insufficient. This approach helps minimize unexpected fees and encourages financial discipline. If you need a temporary credit solution with Neon, you should explore their approved credit products like their credit card or personal loan options, which are subject to credit analysis and approval. Always consult the official Neon website or app for the most current and specific details regarding their credit and account features in your region.